A months-long investigation by the Baldwin County Sheriff's Office led to a Summerdale man being charged with sex crimes against children.
And deputies say the man accused had inappropriate physical contact and that he used artificial intelligence to create pornographic images of his victims.
Our Hal Sherrick explains how a new state law applied in this case.
Baldwin County District Judge Michael Hoyt listened to the disturbing case against 40-year-old Brandon Michael Fry before setting a bond. Prosecutors say Fry had inappropriate sexual contact with a girl younger than 12 inside his garage earlier this year, and then used pictures of her and possibly other victims to create AI-generated child pornography. Several of the charges against Fry stem from a 2024 Alabama law that makes it a crime to use artificial intelligence or any other means to create sexually explicit depictions of children that are indistinguishable from real children.
I think this is going to be the third one we've arrested in this fashion since the change of the law, and so obviously it's a needed change in the law, and we're appreciative of the legislature for doing it, because you had a real victim being touched, and then you were able to take that and turn that into that same victim into child pornography.
Investigators say the case began in April when the alleged victim came forward, and Summerdale police opened an investigation. Over the next several months, deputies conducted forensic interviews and gathered evidence. Several electronic devices were confiscated from Fry's home. On them, deputies say they found 1,300 images of child pornography, more than 100 of which appear to be AI generated. Investigators are now working to determine how many victims there may be and if the images may have been shared.
We'll try to make sure that if we can track if they were shared. You know, that's one thing that they probably were not shared in the fact that he was able to generate, but he did have a lot of images. We'll have to still go through and see where that goes, because I mean, it's one of those cases, unfortunately, there's going to be a lot more charges that come.
Judge Michael Hoyt set a substantial combined bond at $520,000. Now, if Brandon Fry does make bail, he'll be required to wear a GPS ankle monitor, can have no contact with the alleged victims or any children, and he'll have to surrender his passport because prosecutors are concerned he may try to go to Canada to stay with family there. Reporting in Fairhope, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.